This is YFM-2NCA, the auto nylon slider mounting machine by computer control for the number 3 nylon zipper. Now we are going to test this machine for the double close function. So for the double close function, and we use this slider, non-lock slider with the mode B. Okay, so we'll put the mode B on the machine. To mount the double close the functions, the zipper, there's no button stop. So you need to make sure the teeth, the edge, the button stop position is stopping around this position. Okay, so you can see there's a teeth. The edge is stopping around this position. Okay, along this line. And once the position is okay, you need to make sure there is a setting. You need to switch on the double close. Okay, if you switch on double close, the both sides will be closed. If you switch on the no button stop, there is one side open, one side closed. Now we check the double close. Go back to main screen and set up how many pieces you want to produce. For example, we want to produce 50 pieces and press enter, and then you can press the one cycle to check the button stop position is still the same or not. Now it's still the same. Okay, and there is a setting. You can see there is a no button stop delay adjustment. It's controlling this cylinder goes up, delay how much time, and goes down. Okay, this is controlling the closing distance. So if you want to change the mounting distance, you need to adjust from here. Okay, so go back to the main screen, and then you can press the start. The machine will be auto running. Okay, we finish the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. Okay, and then you can see the setting. There is a no button stop. You press the no button stop, and you can press the one cycle. You can check the zipper. Now it's open. One side closed and one side open. Okay, so if you want the double close, and you can choose double close and press the one cycle, it becomes double close. Okay. So we finished the machinery testing.